Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. Once again, continue tayo, problem number 33 for statics. The spring shown now supports the mass 2 kilograms. If the system is in equilibrium, A, B, and C is 3 and 4. A and B is 3, okay, so 45 degrees. C is 4. Compute daw the unstretched length of the spring in AC. Okay, so anyway, before we will actually calculate the length of the spring, it's important to calculate the force muna. Okay, of the springs or the force of members AC and AB. Okay, so I think diretso na tayo, no? Sandali, meron bang given ba lahat? Tama, given naman na ata lahat. Sige. So, sandali. I'll draw the free body diagram muna. So, free body diagram muna tayo. So, you have this one here. This one here. So, this is a triangle, di ba? Ito, magandang triangle. So, this is even. B is 3. This is 3. And then, ang C is 4. So, this is 5. Again, that's a common, common na triangle. And then, special triangle. And then, this is 3 square root of 2. Di ba? Tama ba? Square root of 3 squared plus 3 squared. 3 squared plus 3 squared. And then square root of that, that's tama, 3 square root of 2. Okay? And then, ito yung weight na kailangan natin i-carry. So, the weight is, ayan, 2 kilograms. So, then ito yung mga forces natin. Okay, so anyway, draw natin yung force. Ito yung first. Tawagin natin itong, ano yan, AB, and then itong isa is AC. Sige. So this is AB, and then this is AC, and then this is the load 2 kilograms. Take note, the loading or the stiffness is in Newton, so we need to convert the kilogram into Newton. Sige, so lipat ko muna to for the free body diagram. Okay, let's start. Sum of the forces vertical is equal to 0. So, summation, asan na yun yan? Summation of forces vertical is equal to 0. Upward equals downward. Looking at the figure, we have two upward forces. These are actually the vertical components of AC and AB. So, you have AC, multiply, since upward component man, we will multiply that one with 3 over 3 square root of 2. Again, you might be wondering, sir, bakit ganyan? So, to get the component, very easy lang. You multiply the resultant with a fraction, and then ang denominator is the length of the force, while the numerator is the length perpendicular, or not perpendicular, but the length parallel to the component that we want. Now, we want to get the vertical component, then ito din yung vertical length of the triangle. Yan. Okay, or vertical distance, that's actually 3. And then, I think that's 1 upward, plus another upward will be yung AB. So, that's AB times, same pa din, multiply by a certain ratio. Denominator will be the length, which is in this case, hypotenuse, that's 5. And then, ang upper will be the vertical side, and that's 3. Okay? So, that must be equal to the load, which is binigay sa problem. Ano yung binigay? The load is 2 kilograms. So, that's 2 times 9.81. Okay, so this is our first equation. Second equation, let's set sum of forces horizontal is equal to 0, to the right equals to the left. So actually, wala na to. Ganyan yan. Okay, so AC, but since we want the horizontal component, we will use, actually for AC, ang horizontal side ng triangle is still the same as 3 pa din. But for AB, ang horizontal side ng triangle is 4. Again ha, so equal yung dalawa kasi yan lang naman yung horizontal forces. These are the horizontal components of forces AC and AB. So to the left equals to the right. I think okay tayo dyan. Two equations, two unknowns. Feel free to use your calculator. However, I will change the second equation. So kailangan kasi yung second equation, the unknown should be on the left side. So ito, ililipat ko to sa kabila. It will become negative. And then this is equal to 0. Sige. So calculator nyo, mode 5, 1. That's 3 over 3 square root of 2. Tama, no? Okay, and then, ano pa ba? 3 over 5 for the second coefficient. And then, ang constant is 2 times 9.81. Then, yung isa, that's 3 over 3 square root of 2. And then we have negative 4 over 5. Okay, so we have our AC is actually equal to 7.9, 7.92768, and then yung AB is actually equal to 981 over 70. 981 over 70. It's actually equal to 14. Sige. So we will be using these forces to get the elongations, no, of the AB and BC. So anyway, if the system compute the unstretched length in spring AC in meter. So unstretched length of AC. Okay. So paano ba natin to isasolve? Ako na. So ang length of AC is 3 square root of 2. However, this length is actually equal to the original length plus the elongation of AC caused by the force. So, meron tayong governing equation na. So, LAC is actually equal to the LAC unstretched, parang ganyan, plus the stretched length. Okay? Plus delta, parang change na lang. Delta AC. Saan yung delta sign dito? Delta LAC. Okay? So, sige. So, based on our figure kanina, ang length of AC is now 3 square root of 2, no? So, that's 3 square root of 2. Uy, yung cube root yan. Yan, 3 square root of 2 must be equal to the original length, okay, or unstretched length of AC, plus the change in length. Now, ang change in length is very easy lang. Kunin mo lang yung force AC, and then, ano ba yung stiffness na binigay? For AC, 20 Newton per meter. So, we want to cancel out Newton and then put meter sa itaas. So, we will divide the force by the stiffness na 20. Okay? So, I think okay tayo dyan. And then, notice, the only unknown, since alam na natin ang AC, ang only unknown dito is yung LAC unstretched. So, you can use your calculator to solve for that, or very easily, you have 3 square root of 2 minus yung change in length. So, that's 3.846. Check na natin. Uy, sandali lang ha. Bakit medyo may discrepancy? Baka may mali tayo. Kasi sa kanya 3.45. Mass is 2 kilogram. A is 3, B is 3 din. Tama? Tama naman, 3, 3. And then 4. So, that's 3, 4, 5. Vertical to, no? Tama? Okay. Okay. So, i-double check ko muna. Baka mali yung input na sa calculator ko kasi mali yung sagot natin. So, I think, saan na ulit yun? Ito. Di ba ito yung ilalagay natin sa calculus? So, ang gagawin ko na lang, check niya, 1.14. Ano yan? So, try na natin ulit. But, ilagay natin sa close parenthesis 3 divided by, i-close parenthesis natin ito, 3 square root of 2. Tama, di ba? So, kasi ang ginawa ko kasi is 3 over 3. Anong nangyari kasi, 3 divided by 3, and then multiplied by square root of 2 dito. Which is, ang nangyari, ang square root of 2 will now be in the numerator. So, kailangan pala nun yung close parenthesis. Anyway, 3 over 5, and then 2 times 9.81. And then yung isa, this is actually 3 over, again, close parenthesis, 3 square root of 2. Yan, and then negative 4 over 5. 0. So, our answer pala sa AC should be 15.855. 15.855. And then, ang AB should be, tama, na 14 lang yung AB. Sige. So, with that, tama, 3.45. So, nasolve na natin. Okay, so I hope okay tayo dyan ha. Tama, 3.45. Sige. So, same pa rin, if you have any questions or clarifications with regards to the solution, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin.